Alright, so just a little quick video here on a basic maintenance item I'm doing on my RV. So, our RV had the original SureFlow diaphragm pump. You can see the model number up there. And this went out. The pump itself I think is fine, but what actually happened was one of the spade terminals on this pressure shutoff broke off. Fortunately, it was at our last stop on our trip, and we had full hookups, including water, so it didn't end up impacting us, but need to replace it. So I was looking at different pumps to replace it with, and one of the things that whenever I look at something like this, I wanted to do an upgrade. So here's what I got. If you take a look, these pumps they're both SureFlows. They are identical in dimensions. They're identical in how they bolt up and hook up to the system and all of that. You can see the part number. I will put links in. But the big difference is that this is a 55 PSI pump that flows 3 gallons a minute. This is a 40 PSI pump that flows 2.5 gallons per minute. Difference is only half an amp. I've checked my wiring. This is not an issue for me. Wiring and fuse, everything is fine. So is 55 PSI going to cause a problem? No, it shouldn't, because first off, this PEX piping is definitely, and the connectors and all that are rated for it. But here's the other thing. When I am hooked up to water, whether it's at my house or at a campground, I have to put this regulator in. This is a 55 PSI regulator, and so I am getting that whenever I have a full hookup. And if I don't have the regulator on, it will be even higher pressure. We have never had a problem with this. So this should improve flow and pressure when we are boondocking. So we'll go ahead and get this swapped out. Okay, so I put the pump in, simple as can be, 4 screws that are in that aluminum panel, and then threaded fitting. That is the screen that goes on the inlet of the old filter. But the only thing I noticed was that then when I tried to tilt this up, it was hanging forward just a little bit. So if you look carefully, see the thickness there, and see the thickness here. This is a lot thinner. Looks like I can just take these 2 screws out of each and swap it on. So I'm gonna do that here. Okay, all in, that was easy. You may notice that the little inlet screen has a bit of a seep there. That is not surprising to me, it's original, so I think I'll just order another one, but let's go inside, see if it all works. All right, let's see how this works. I immediately notice how much quieter that pump is. Much quieter. And noticeably more water flow as well. All right, project done. I just got to order a little inlet filter, which I probably should have done that anyway, and that's all. So hope you found this useful, and I'll have links in the description below to what I ordered, including the replacement filter. Thanks for watching. And there's the new filter that I put in, nice and clean, and has a screen at the bottom. You can easily take this off to clean it out, and you can see if there's junk in it. So I think that's a nice improvement. Thanks again for watching.